Are you thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, or one of the surrounding suburbs like Bixby, Oklahoma? Well, in today's Saturday Spotlight, we are going to show you what you can buy for $345,000 in Bixby, Oklahoma. And if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma and the surrounding suburbs, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe. That way you can be the first to know what's going on in our local Tulsa area real estate market. I'm Sabrina Shaw. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Tulsa area. And my team and I get calls every single day from people just like you who need help making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So it's never too early and it's never too late to give us a call. You could be coming into town this weekend, 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, even a year from now. Reach out, we'll schedule a Zoom call, and we will make a plan to get you guys to Tulsa. And in this video, this is actually a listing video that I've done. And you know, whenever you're watching this, the house will probably already be sold, but you can know what to expect in the price range. Ladies, this house in Falcon Ridge is absolutely adorable. It's going to knock your socks off. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. This neighborhood is so cute. We're in Falcon Ridge, which is a neighborhood in Bixby schools. It's got a neighborhood swimming pool, nice sidewalks, walking trails. You're going to love it. I can't wait to show it to you. How light and bright it is in here. It just kind of greets you, and then you've got these high ceilings which just make it feel so much bigger than it is, which we do have. Like I said, we have the 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and you just feel, it feels so spacious and open, you know, with the high ceilings and the paint colors. It feels so homey, so spacious, just very welcoming. This master bedroom is absolutely spacious and gorgeous. Again, you've got the high ceilings. You've got a ton of space where you can have your sitting area right here. You've got the doors out to the back patio. And then, you know, going into your master bathroom, you have a ton of space too. And I love what they did to this closet. The floors and the paint in this closet are absolutely adorable. And I love that this is a split floor plan. You've got the nice nook right here for decorations, your second bathroom, then your second and third bedroom are right down this hallway. And in this price range, this upstairs is what really sets the house apart. You've got the second living area, you've got the 4th bedroom and a closet upstairs, you've got a little craft closet on the other side. But this is perfect for teenagers, you know, for your college kids, to have that living area, game room, study space. You're still connected to the main part of the house, so you're not completely separated, and I absolutely love that. One thing that is unique that I really love about this property is this, you know, extended outdoor porch. I mean, obviously you've got the patio furniture that you can sit. You've got a hot tub back here. Of course, she's taking the hot tub with her. She loves that thing.
but there's, you know, you can just really enjoy your outdoor space. And even like now when it's February and warm outside, I mean, I love it. And the lights, you know, having the decorative lights, it's just very comfortable out here and I like it. So from the extended back porch to the second upstairs living area, this house has so much to offer, being 4 bedrooms. If you want to see this home in person, reach out to me and I would love to schedule a private showing. I hope that video was helpful. That is an example of what you can get in Bixby, Oklahoma at the $345,000 price range. And again, you know, this house probably won't be available, but reach out. It could be still, depending on when it's posted. But this is something that you could expect to get in that price range in Bixby. And please feel free to reach out to us. Sometimes I've had people tell me like that they think that I'm too busy, so they didn't end up reaching out and they didn't want to bother me. So this is my job. It is never a bother. I do these videos for you guys. So you do call me and reach out. And again, we would love to show you around town.